up, guys? Good evening. Let me show you our garden. Check it out. Springtime. Perfection. Alright, so basically I'm going to be talking about these Ramons today. Things that are a little bit important. I'm going to explain to you why. I stopped for, we tour around with the motorcycle and we want to stop to pick up something to eat or anything like that, and the bike is going to stay alone, for like 5-10 minutes or something. Then I always disconnect this. This is my phone right here, okay, and the GPS, and put it on the bike and lock it, all right? But, for 5-10 minutes, I bought these 2 locks. I don't want to have a key and anything, all right? I just want something that it's really difficult for somebody to steal that, all right? So let's check it out. It looks like it works because, when you take out the knob, this is the key actually. When you take this out, this actually rotates, so nobody can untie it from the mount. And it's impossible to pull a RAM mount out and steal it, all right? So the guy that sold me this today, thank you, Billy, he told me that if both are yours, I can have them search to find the same key. This is the key right here. So it has the same pattern, this one with this one. So I don't have to confuse the keys and everything. I can just disconnect this and this and lock them up and go to have some coffee, and that's it. All right, so I have to look for two different keys. All right, so let's try it. All right, so I don't see any other parts. Okay, so it looks like okay, I see. This locks into the mechanism like that. So we disconnect this knob. Yeah, I see how it works now. We press a little bit and we put this on. Maybe we put the key. Yeah, that's better. All right, so let's say we want tension this. Let's put it back. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool, I mean, even if they put a screwdriver here, we're not going to leave the bike with this overnight. I'm going to put them in a bag and everything, take them to the hotel or into the camping or whatever I do. But look at that. This is perfect. And it was only like, $10, $11. That's it. Okay. This is perfect. Of course, I'm going to take my phone from here. This is an old RAM mount, just in case you're looking for something real secure for your expensive phone. All right, go look my RAM mounts review so you can see all the RAM mounts that we use up to today. Click the card up on the right so you can see it. But that thing is like unbelievable. That's made for a GPS actually back in time. I think like this is like 4 or 5 years old, this design. All right, but look at that. See what I'm saying? And when I ride, we do long tours with Rose sometimes, and I don't want to worry I'm going to lose my phone or anything. Yes, I have all the X stuff and stuff. They don't work good. This is perfect. All right, so let's put this on the GPS too. Let's put the other one. And if you like to see my review on the TomTom 550 or 500, click the card again and go to the TomTom playlist, all right? It's an excellent GPS, easy to use, very bright display. Okay, and the most important thing is you can easily do the maps, all right, with my Drive map application they have. You do the maps and everything, and also it will give you scenic views and everything. Garmin is okay, the new ones too, but a little bit complicated for my taste. All right, I've been using this for 3 years. Check out the review too. So I have tensioned that with a lock. You see that? All right, I don't think it's going anywhere. This is pretty good. You put this in your pocket and we're done. All right, let's put it on the bike. And let me put the other parts here. This is a backup key. I'm gonna put it on the rear, just in case I lose this one. These are both the same. This is an excellent idea. Thanks, Billy. The guy's name was Billy. His idea, I didn't even know. They have the same code for multiple locks. All right, let's put them on the bike. Okay, I'm gonna be putting one here and the GPS on this mount here. And we have here Harley sleeping. Hey, baby. Yeah, I have put this because, you know, cats, they're scratching the nails everywhere. So I'm gonna put the phone first. Up here. Okay. And put it right there. Liking the thing. Nice. It's impossible to steal it. I mean, check it out. You know. I mean, how the hell are you going to steal it? They gotta pick up the whole bike. By the time they're gonna start pulling like that, the alarm is gonna sound. Okay, and put the other one. Check out this beautiful display. Check out this beautiful display on the TomTom right here. Okay, that's the reason I like it. Check it out. It's nice. All right, so let's put. I'm using the same key, okay, or knob, or whatever you want to call it, to put the GPS to the front. And if you want to see the review and how I installed the GPS on this motorcycle, it's on the playlist, the TomTom playlist. Go to part 1. So I'm testing this now, ready for the trip, you know, because I don't have to take it off. Okay, right there. Check it out. Okay. Check it out. And I can now connect it into the power. Well, it's got 7 hours of battery, but you know what? Why use it when I have free power from the bike and everything? All right, and turn it off. Because we're leaving tomorrow. All right, looks like you know, this works pretty good. Okay, the thing is, it's impossible to steal it, of course, right? It's rotating. Check it out. See that? And this one. And it's on the same key. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put one key back up here, hide it, inside my pump, right? And the other one, I put it in my jacket. Okay, I think that was a pretty good idea. I thought about it last night when I was looking for RAM mounts. Yes, I have a lot of RAM mounts. Click the card and you're going to see all our RAM mounts that we use. Here, there, up front, everywhere. We love them. See you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More like, you know, tips like that from us is going to come up. All right.